Hi, everyone. Rajiv Anand. I'm the CEO of Cordic.ai. I've been in the process control and manufacturing process control and automation space for about 30 years, previously with Emerson Process Management, implementing the Delta V systems. And I crossed over what at that time people called the dark side of big data and AI. But just to make my intentions clear as to why I did that, it wasn't what is this new technology called AI and how can we go find a use case for it? To me, the path was very clear about there is a lot of unfinished business, things that we wished we could do that we could not do. So it was about finding AI to do the unfinished business. And I try to summarize the use of machine learning or AI in general for those who understand process control as we've always had a zoomed-in view of what's happening to the process. If you look at a control system, then it's looking at a loop, right? When we zoomed out a little bit, when we came out of the control room with systems like Pi, but if we want to have a bird's eye view, 20, 30,000 feet where we can see more things at the same time and draw more conclusions, to me, that's how I summarize why and where AI and machine learning should be used in process manufacturing. We are focusing right now, primarily focusing on batch manufacturing because it was an underserved sector, even for optimization, advanced process controls, it had always been underserved. And I think the very nature of batch manufacturing is that variability is a constant. Like in continuous processes, you can eventually overcome variability and there are really upset events. Whereas in batch manufacturing, particularly as we're going with more specialized substances, pharma, so making small quantities of large number of products using the same assets, its inherent variability lends itself to doing something that can understand the broader variability at a zoomed out level. That was the reason we first chosen to focus on the batch manufacturing industries, and life sciences is one of them.